Hello everyone, welcome back. Having trouble with your HughesNet internet? Your router might need a simple reset. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, so let me walk you through two quick methods. First, let's try a soft reset. This is a gentle approach that won't delete your settings. Simply unplug your HughesNet router from the wall, wait 30 seconds, and now plug it back in. Watch the lights on the front. They'll blink and change patterns. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes for everything to boot up completely. This fixes most connection problems without losing your Wi-Fi password or other settings. If that doesn't work, you will do a factory reset. Warning, this will erase all your custom settings, so look at the back of your router and you'll see a small black reset button. It's usually in a tiny hole. While your router is powered on, use a paper clip or pen tip to press and hold this reset button. Hold it down for exactly 10 seconds and watch the front lights. They'll change their blinking pattern, and this means it's working. Release the button and wait 3 to 5 minutes for the router to restart completely. If you have the HT2000W model, there's one extra step. After pressing the back reset button, also press the WPS button on the front of the router. Hold both buttons together for 10 seconds, then release, and your router will now return to factory settings. After any reset, you'll need to reconnect your devices using the default Wi-Fi password printed on your router's label. Your internet should work normally within 5 minutes, and if problems continue, contact HughesNet support for help. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.